how to cancel Uber ride. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can cancel your Uber ride, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to cancel your Uber ride, all you have to do is basically go ahead and then actually open the Uber application here, right? So once you open the Uber app, let's say you are basically choosing a trip over here, which means that you are in the middle of booking a trip, and then you just happen to book that trip already, but then you realize that it's the long location maybe perhaps, and then you just want to go ahead and then cancel those rides. So what do you do if you want to cancel those rides respectively? Well, it's actually quite simple to cancel these rides. All you have to do is after you book the ride, instantly you will be able to find the option to cancel your rides over here, as you would be able to find it. And once you've done that, your ride will get cancelled, but you only have a certain amount of time before the rider actually arrives at your desired location to pick you up. You have to do it before you do that as well. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.